Now let's talk about the most important feature or topic is a VPN, virtual private network. So virtual private networks, in this module we are going to learn what is VPN, what VPN features, VPN types, VPN protocols, and conclusion. Let's start with the what is VPN. So what is VPN? VPN is a virtual private network helps by establishing a secure connection over an insecure network such as the internet. This is a great alternative to private WAN connection since internet access is usually cheaper and it's available pretty much everywhere. So it's between client to firewall, router to router, firewall to router, firewall to firewall. Now let's talk about the VPN feature: confidentially, authentication, integrity, and anti-replay. First, confidentially, preventing anyone from reading your data. This is implementing with encryption. Now, authentication, verifying that the firewall or remote user that is sending a VPN traffic is a legitimate device or user. And integrity, it's verifying that VPN packet wasn't changed during the transmission. Anti-replay, preventing someone from capturing the traffic or is sending it, trying to appear as a legitimate or user or device. VPN types, two types of VPN: site-to-site VPN and client-to-site VPN, remote user. So this is the most two common VPN types we are using right now. First, site-to-site VPN. So with the site-to-site VPN, we have a network device at each site. Between these two network device, we built a VPN tunnel. Each end of the VPN tunnel with encrypted original IP packet adds a VPN header and a new IP header, and then forwards the encrypted packet to the other end of the tunnel. So this is the one type of site-to-site VPN we have discussed here. In what happened in this picture, H1 send a IP packet with a source IP 192.168.1.1 and destination is a 192.168.2.2. Now firewall encrypt the IP packet, adds a VPN header and create a new IP header with its own public address as the source and 2.2.2. as a destination. It's a WAN IP of a remote device. Now firewall 1 send a new packet to firewall 2. Okay, and firewall 2 receive the packet, check if packet is really came from firewall 1 and decrypt it and forward it to the H2, it's our host device 192.168.2.2, and at H2 receive the original IP packet. Now we are going to discuss client to site VPN, remote user. So the client to site VPN is also called as a remote user. The user install a VPN client on his or her system, laptop, smartphone, tablet, and the VPN tunnel is established between the user's device and remote network device. Here is one example. So in this picture, the user has established a VPN tunnel between its VPN client and firewall 1. So this allow the user to access a remote server. This is the client server combination. Now let's talk about the VPN protocols. PPTP, point to point tunneling protocol, L2TP, layer 2 tunneling protocol, SSL VPN, secure socket layer. It's a user HTTPS SSL, and last one is IPsec, IP protocol security. PPTP protocol, point to point tunneling protocol. It's a older one protocol. It was released around 95. It uses ZR8 tunneling and plus PPP for authentication, and encryption is done with the MPP protocol. It's use of 1723 port number. Here is we can see the image of PPTP. Now second protocol is L2TP layer 2 tunneling protocol. It's use port number 1701. So layer 2 tunneling protocol is an extension of PPTP, as the name implies. Allow us to tunnel layer 2 traffic over the layer 3 connection. L2TP can be used if you need to bridge two remote lands together and you want a user a single subnet on both sides. L2TP it does not offer any encryption or anything, which is why we often use it together with IPsec. When we use L2TP and IPsec together, it's often referred to as a L2TP IPsec. Here is one example of L2TP. We can see the image. Most important protocol, SSL VPN, secure socket layer. It's use SSL HTTPS. On its work on port 443, or in many firewall you can customize that port. So SSL is a protocol that normally used to encrypt traffic between web browser or web server. When you serve the web using HTTP, everything is clear text. For secure connection we use a HTTPS, so we can use the same technology of for a VPNs. So one of the advantage of SSL VPN is that since it use a HTTPS, so you can use it pretty much everywhere. Most public Wi-Fi hotspot do permit the HTTPS traffic, while something might be block other traffic like IPsec. Another reason why SSL VPN is popular, so that you don't always have to use a software client. Most SSL VPN offer a portal through web browser, and you can access application. For some advanced feature, you might have a install a software in a software client in your device. If you are using a RDP from WAN, means it in firewall you have done a port forwarding for remote access. So it's better to don't use a port forwarding rule for, and you can use a SSL VPN client. So your traffic it's encrypted and no one can attack on RDP port. So it's more secure for remote access. The last protocol of VPN is IPsec, IP protocol security. It's a most important protocol for VPN, and most useful protocol for whenever you are creating the VPN tunnel between site to site or client to site for remote user, and between two servers to authenticate or encrypt the traffic. So IPsec is a not protocol, but it's actually framework. So it's offer a confidentiality, integrity, authentication and anti-replay feature on layer 3. So it's a use a variety of protocol, and the advantage of this framework is that the protocol it use can change in the future also. So for example, currently we are using an encryption algorithm like DAS, 3DAS or AES, but if new algorithm is created, then IPsec might be used in the future. So in depth I will explain IPsec in my next video, but in this lesson we have learned some basic of VPNs, like VPN can use a alternative to private WAN connection and offer a secure connection over an insecure medium such as the internet. VPN offer a feature such as the confidentiality, authentication, integrity and anti-replay. The most common VPN types are site-to-site VPNs and client-to-site VPNs. Some common VPN protocols are IPsec, PPTP, L2TP, SSL VPN. IPsec is a framework to provide a security on layer 3 PPTP is a older VPN protocol. It's use a PPP and GRE insecure and should not be used anymore. L2TP, a VPN protocol that's tunnel or layer 2 traffic, does not offer any encryption or anything. SSL VPN, it's a user SSL HTTPS to create a secure connection with the web browser or client.